Alright. Preparation, Nate. Are you ready?
Yeah. We didn't expect the travel ban really to be ending soon. It sounds from what you're saying is that you may keep that in effect right through the end of the day today. Is that so?
Hi. This is Weatherman Duff. Suiting up for Juno. Courtney, how is it out there?
Oh man, it's like something I've never seen before.
Wow.
We were just jumping off the shed. Snow is just like, oh my god, it's Blizzard 2K15 all the way.
Oh boy.
Garrett is getting ready. He's gonna join the fun. Oh, and Nate. Yay. I didn't know about him.
You know, it's important in life to have the proper footwear. These are bulletproof right here, and they will protect me from any elements. Really, I just forgot my snow boots.
Or you could wear combat boots.
Wow.
And I have no feeling in my foot.
Look at that.
Woo!
Early report is that the snow is pretty deep. That's oh shit. That's what I'm gonna start with. Want to help brother out? Weatherman Duff is here. And in order to proper transportation, I'm gonna go and get my keys. Not my keys, my skis. What am I saying?
We out here.
Weatherman Duff here, showing you how you can properly move around in this storm. As you know, in the travel ban statewide.
No cars seen for miles. Here, what's the conditions like? Icy? Soft?
It's a little bit of ice underneath this powder.
It looks like it's smooth sailing though.
Once you get a rhythm going,
Currently, we are venturing to the beach. That's Scarsborough. We're not sure if it still exists anymore after this blizzard, but
we'll see.
we will see.
Weatherman Duff here. You know, as a weatherman, it's my duty to keep coming up with more efficient ways to give you the weather. And you heard most of the warnings of this blizzard. Stay indoors, they say. Don't go outside, they say. No. Weatherman Duff goes fucking all out. Okay? And right now, I don't know if you can see, I'm on my skis right now as a transportation device. Just showing you how much of the snow is out here. It is dangerous, but you know what? Now we're on our way to the beach. Give you first-hand look at how massive these waves are. You never know. We may shred your gnar a little bit. Stay tuned.
Coming live to you with Weatherman Duff out here on Scarborough Beach.
Hello, this is Weatherman Duff out here. As she said, Scarborough Beach. I just wanted to give you on the lines report. As you can see, the winds is the biggest part of this storm. Just ate the stick. And with these winds, the swells are tenfold, okay? People, they are dangerous, all right? Now, if you do go outside, I highly recommend you come prepared, okay? That means, first and foremost, proper headwear, okay? This bucket hat will protect you from anything. And there is a strap on your chin so it doesn't blow away, okay? Next, eye protection. Eye protection is key because there's little tiny snowflakes. That's what they're called when it snows. They're called snowflakes. They can hit you in the eye and you can be blinded.
Garrett, where can we find this type of protection?
You can get this protection anywhere, you know, at your local store. This beautiful hat I picked up in Maine, a little harbor store, but it's great. And as for my microphone, okay, again, this is...
Whoa, the winds are just out of control.
This is state of the art, okay? As you can see, there is a growth growing on this stick. And what it does is it sends signals, so I know when there's a wave coming behind me and I can get out of the way, okay? This has been Weatherman Duff giving you a report live from Scarborough Beach.